Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This video today is going to be showing you how to get VC in 2K26 using a working VC glitch. This NBA 2K26 VC glitch is going to get you 450,000 VC, and that is about $100 worth of VC. As you can see, they're pretty expensive. So this method of getting free VC actually uses a locker code, guys, and I searched high and low trying different methods, and this is by far the easiest method to get virtual currency in 2K26 for free. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always creating updated VC glitches. So let's get into it. So as you can see here, you need to use your mobile phone to obtain your locker code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it on whatever platform you play on. So open up your internet browser and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it exactly how I've typed it here, guys, Cold Coupons. And this is an awesome website, guys. Highly recommend you bookmark them. They don't only have 2K26, as you can see, they have codes for lots of different games. So I'm just going to search for the NBA 2K26 locker codes page. Make sure you can spell it. And this is the page here that's going to contain the VC locker code. Now the reason I call this a glitch is because it does not, it is not supposed to give you 450,000 VC, but it does. So yeah, this is awesome. This is a code that you can basically just redeem in the locker codes page in your game. Okay, so I did this earlier and it's pretty easy. You just need to unlock your 2K26 code. And this basically stops people taking more than one of these available codes. So you're going to see this page, and you need to basically follow the instructions and complete 2 tasks. As you can see, these tasks are completely free, and these are basically things like playing and installing mobile games, opening applications, answering surveys. They're all completely free. They do take a few minutes each to complete. It's just very important you do read and follow the instructions for the 2 tasks that you choose. Once you do those, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your VC locker code will be revealed, and you can redeem it in game, and that is going to get you 450,000 VC. This is by far the best NBA 2K26 VC glitch, and this is working after patch in 2026. So go to Cold Coupons. If you need any help obtaining your locker code, guys, just let me know, but it's super easy if you follow all of the instructions. And yeah, enjoy your free VC. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe.